Welcome to Fibocan's YouTube channel. I am Prabhu KB, CEO of Fibocan. As you are aware, we are into the business of enabling wealth. We enable wealth through training, coaching, mentoring, enabling clients devise their investment strategies through our technology products and solutions. Vetri meaning victory, innovative investment strategies, so far, Sonifar and Baumits. They are very powerful and efficient strategies, work on all conditions. In every video, we discuss what happened, why it happened, what will happen, why, when, and how it will happen. Which is why I request everyone to watch the video till the end. Click the bell icon, encourage your friends and known person to subscribe. Today is February 10, 2023, Friday, weekly closing. Bank Nifty remained flat at 41,559.40, just 4 points above yesterday's close, and Nifty 0.2% down, 17,856.50. What happened? Bank Nifty and Nifty, today it opened the gap down. If you recollect, in our daily videos we have been telling, and also in our Twitter and YouTube where we are uploading, we are saying that Bank Nifty is now in between. It is just below the Bollinger middle band in the daily chart, and also it is above the exponential moving average 8 and 10, but all the four are narrowing, converging, and the price is within that. So that means a breakout is imminent. Which way, which direction, we will know, right? We will know based on, of course, market has already given an indication, but we have to wait and see for that. But what I feel is that the trend is going to be in the sideways even for probably 1 or 2 more weeks. That is what the indications are, after which we might have a powerful breakout. So also in the Bank Nifty and Nifty, in the weekly chart, it formed a Doji star but managed to close above the previous week's close. That's a good closure from a closing perspective. Though it is not very powerful, but yes, definitely that's a positive indicator. Had it closed below, then it would have been slightly negative, but because it closed above it, we can say that no, a powerful green candle after which a doji has formed. Then normally when a new trend begins, it is a continuation pattern. So that tells us that probably yes, the market uptrend is intact, but it will not run away. There is you can't expect runaway rally. That is what clearly tells. Today, all the banking stocks moved sideways. Actually, it was a lackluster and a dull, listless day today because there was hardly any movement in any stocks, barring few stocks like SBI, which jumped up. Other than that, no, we didn't find any big movement either side. ICICI Bank and IDFC fell 1%, while yes, Federal and Bandhan jumped up by 1%. AU is something which always jumps and it goes up by 2%. It is on a good uptrend. So others like Axis, HDFC Bank, everything remained flat. So however, one thing is that HDFC formed a doji star after a solid green candle. It mimicked the same pattern as that of Bank Nifty. Hence, no, whatever happens to Bank Nifty, same thing will happen to HDFC Bank, or you can put it the other way around. Whatever happens to HDFC Bank, Bank Nifty will try to do the same thing, because Bank Nifty, HDFC and ICICI has got equal weight of 20 to 23% in Bank Nifty, which we all know. On the finance, Chola fell along with M&M Finance 2%, Shriram Transport also fell 3%, L&T Housing Finance up by 1%. Chola, because of such a big up move it had happened all these days, it is a profit booking. So hence, like what I call, we can expect some sideways with a downward movement in Chola for some time, but the long-term uptrend is intact in Chola. Shriram also today it was 3% down, but yes, it's a fantastic long-term story. That is what people say. And L&T Housing Finance, though it moved up by 1%, but one has to be cautious because it is technically positioned for a reversal. Hence, be careful with that. Insurance, LIC 1% up, HDFC Life also 1% up, ICICI General 2% up. So we, after a big fall, now there is some reversal that is happening, but it is the first reversal, hence it has to be ignored. Once a second reversal is formed, we can say a confirmation candle. Then oil and telecom, Reliance fell 1%, Bharti up by 1%. If you recollect yesterday itself, we told that because yesterday Bharti fell 1%, Reliance flat or 1% up, we said that Bharti has chance of moving. So Bharti moved up primarily because it formed a rising three methods. It formed a solid 3 red candles in the daily chart. and obviously there was a short covering rally that was expected. However, it formed a powerful daily candle reversal by forming a hammer candle with a long lower leg doji. The low was somewhere around 861, so which is very good. But still the short term trend is downward bias. Hence, now we have to wait for further confirmation before we enter Bharati. On the IT, HCL fell 3%, Wipro fell 1%, while Birlasoft and Emphasis up by 1%, Infi and others remained flat. So HCL Tech, it opened a gap down, and after gap down, there was not much of room. It went significantly down, came up and came down, and finally closed 3% down. So technically, HCL IT stocks are positioned for some pullback. Hence, no one has to be cautious for the rest of the few days, because it has run up too much in the month of February, and also we expect the Dow and Nasdaq to fall today also. Consumer goods, Trent fell 1% along with ITC and ABFRL. PVR 1% up and Page 2% up. Page yesterday fell 3%. Today it had some short covering rally, but Page is highly priced, and technically we have not assessed it. Hence, no, we are not reserving our comments, but probably next week we will try to see Page and give our comments. But otherwise, no one has to be careful with looking at the technical charts. On the automobiles, Ashok Leyland and Eicher's 1% down. Escorts 4% up. Bharat 4, Tata Motors, TVS all up by 2%. Hero Motors and Motherson up by 1%. So on the metals, Coal India, JSW, NMDC, SAIL 1% down. Tata Steel, National Aluminium 2% down. Jindal and Hindalco 3% down. So if you recollect, Jindal, we said that steel and metals in particular, we said that they are in a February 1 has to be cautious, but short covering rally, Jindal still went up, but now that is over. But yes, weekly chart, it formed a reversal. Hence, no, just play carefully. It formed a doji, so it can go up anyway. But if it opens gap down, it means it is a continuation of the downward trend. Hence, no, play accordingly. Health and Pharma, Cipla and Apollo 1% up, others remained flat. On the others, IRCTC, APL, Apollo 1% down, Havels 3% down, Adani Enterprise 4% down, Zomato 2% down. 1% up in DLF, L&T, UPL, MCX, IndiaMart, 2% up in Nykaa, Godrej up by 3%, and Delta Corp up by 4%. With all these things, what do we expect for option expiry this week? That is Thursday, 16th of February. We expect Fibonacci 161.8 on the lower side for Bank Nifty will hold. What is that level? 4356.81. That will hold. On the upward side, the resistance is going to be 42,484, which is the 50-day moving average, which we said last week also. It's nothing new we are saying, because looking at the trend and other things, we feel that it will this week also, it will be finding it difficult to cross the 50-day moving average. Nifty 17,350.40. What is that level? It is no magic number. It is previous week's low. So we are confident that technically, looking at the charts, this is going to act as a support for this week. And 18,251.90, that is nothing but Jan high, that will act as a resistance. Thank you very much.